Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel, to the vaughntwins channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in to another video. I'd like to go on ahead and ask that if you all are interested in hair and beauty, then you all go on ahead and subscribe to me and Kenya's channel and make sure that you turn on your bell so that you'll be notified every single time that Kenya and I upload a new video. So, as the title says, I am going to show you all my nighttime routine for maintaining these curls. I've had these curls in my hair for about a week now. I think it's an absolutely really cute style. It's low maintenance. I don't pick or comb my hair out every time that I redo it at night, and so I just wanted to come on and show you all exactly what I'm using to get my curls and how I maintain this style. So if you all are ready to take a look to see how I maintain this style, then let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay guys, so first things first, I just want to show you all the products that I'm using to maintain this hairstyle, and that is a spray bottle, and this is if needed, really. Spray bottle with just some water in there, distilled water. I have here my It's a 10 moisturizer. It does 10 things. It's like a heat protected, it repairs dry and damaged hair, it adds shine, it detangles, all of that. So I have this here. I'm also going to be using my Nairobi Rapid Shine foaming lotion, and then I'm going to be using some grapeseed oil. Okay, and that is right there. So first things first is I'm just going to go ahead and start by sectioning my hair off exactly the way that I wear it when I go to bed. And so I had two clips in it, pulling it up on the side. So I just took my clips out right here. And what I'm actually going to do is, I like it split right down the middle. So what I do is these are going to be two sections here. This is two sections here. This is going to be one. And I actually put my hair in ponytails when I go to sleep. They're not tight whatsoever. And so I'm going to put a ponytail up here. And the reason that I put a ponytail at the top of my head is because a lot of times I find that when I put my hair in two ponytails, or even split into two plaits right here, whenever I go to take my plaits out and I try to blend my hair up here, then it doesn't blend very well. It still has that line, it still has that part, and it's really difficult to fill in that space after I've taken my braids out or my twist out the night before. So I will say that the water bottle serves the purpose of if you all don't want to use a moisturizer on your hair. Say if you use a moisturizer on your hair the night before and you don't want to add more moisturizer because it's going to weigh your hair down, then that's where this water is going to come into play. I also like having the water handy so that once I get ready to put my hair in these sections, I can just spritz it just a little bit, just to loosen up the curls so that I'm literally not breaking my hair apart, to section it off and then to get it into these ponytails. So I'm going to put a ponytail right here in the back of my hair on the left side. And now mind you, these ponytails are extremely loose, you guys. And I love these actual ponytails because they're like the scooncy, almost like rubber band scoony or scooncy, I think they're called, rubber band ponytails, and I love them. So anyway, so I have all three ponytails in. I'm going to turn around and let you see. So 1, 2, and 3 right here, and then I have these sectioned off. So I'm just going to begin with the front part. I'm going to spritz it just a tiny bit just to loosen this up. I'm going to go on ahead and separate, and I am going to just clip this top part away, and I'm going to begin to work on this section. Now, that's where the Nairobi setting lotion comes into play with the It's a 10. I love these two together. My hairdresser actually told me about this product anyway. She told me to use it with a heavier cream setting lotion, but my hair is fine, you guys, and my hair can't take all those heavy butters and creams and things like that. So that's why I love using this, because it's light. So what I do is I'll spray a few squirts on my hand here, and then what I'll do is I'll take my setting lotion and I won't even pump a whole pump. I'll pump that much. And then I rub it together, and then I rub it through. And I kind of start out at the ends because I feel like the roots of my hair, I don't want them to get too puffy, you know what I'm saying? So I start out here, and then I am just gonna start out by twisting. And then once I get to the end, I may put a little bit more of the moisturizer and like the setting lotion on there. Just rub it in, just like literally just like press it in. I don't want to cause like too much tension or anything like that on my hair, because like this weather is already extremely dry here in Dallas, and so I know that it's like my hair is dry and it's probably like breaking more than it usually does. I don't know. I'm actually getting ready to go into protective style mode, but I just wanted to wear this hairstyle for a week because I thought it was really, really cute. Now what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my grapeseed oil and take a little bit on my hand there, rub it in, and then I'm going to just press it. Just press it down the length of that twist. And the reason that I press it in for me and my hair is because my hair is a little on the fine side, just a little bit. And so the reason that I press it in like that is because I don't want it to get too way down. Okay? And then what I do is I roll this all the way up with the perm rod. And this is the size perm rod that I actually use for the front of my head. Then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I am gonna go ahead and clip this away. And the reason that I do this, the reason that I clip this away is because, you know, you work out, you get in the shower, stuff like that, and so I don't want my roots to get puffy. And the clip that I used for that is this. This is a clip here. I don't know what these are called, but this is a clip, and I actually picked it up from Walmart. Okay? And then, so now let me go on ahead with this section right here, and I'm gonna do the same thing by taking these two, mixing just a little bit of it together, and then, see, I have a little bit of the setting lotion, and then a little bit of the It's a 10 here. I'm gonna rub it together. And then I'm about to twist. I feel like these styles would come out looking like so much better if you kind of combed or picked your piece apart, or maybe even just finger detangled it. But I don't like to do that because that's just way too much tension, way too much stress on your hair, and the last thing that you want to do is cause unnecessary breakage. Then I just do a really, really good detangling job at the end of the week before I reset my hairstyle, or right before I'm getting ready to wash my hair. So what I'll do is, once my roller is in there, I'll go in and I'll kind of twist my hair just a little bit more, and then I'll take my clip, a larger clip this size, and I'm gonna go in and literally just clip that away. Just like that. And again, that's so that my roots can stay laid down. And that's throughout my sleeping, and, you know, while I take a shower, and like all that. I'm gonna go on ahead and do this side. I am just going to speed this up until I get to this part. Now that I have gotten to this top ponytail, I'm going to show you all what I do. Let me spray a little bit of water. What I do up here is the same thing that I do to these two ponytails back here. And I'm going to spray just a little bit of water just to make it easier for me to break this off in two sections. So I have heat damage up here. So you all are going to see some straight pieces. But I split this off in two, and I'm gonna go on ahead and like just clip one side off to the side so that it's easier for me to work with. So I split that off. I'm gonna spritz this just a tiny bit, and I'm gonna go in again with my wrapping foam lotion, my It's a 10. Rub that together. I think I may put a little bit of oil on that as well. Just a couple drops of oil. And then rub it in. And because these are much chunkier sections up here, what I actually like to do is braid these two. So I'm going to go in and braid this here. And then what I do is take a larger perm rod, this size, and roll my hair up. And I'm gonna roll it all the way to the top of that ponytail, like all the way up there. Because for me, I just like my curls to be tight. Okay guys, so this is the final product. This is how I maintain my curly fro, curly mohawk, faux hawk, whatever hairstyle you would like to put your hair in. But this is how I maintain my curly twist out and or braid out. And so let me just turn around and show you all what it looks like. Excuse my hair if it's dirty. Yes, I know. I need to wash it. But again, here are this ponytail and then these two. And I have a clip right here, one right here, and one right here. And then I have these two sectioned off right here. And then what I'll do is just throw on my bonnet like so. Tuck these up underneath. And then that's it. I go to bed. If you all enjoyed this video, then please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know if this is content that you all would like to see. Kenya and I are kind of circling back around to the hair and the beauty aspect of our channel, as we kind of just realized that it's something that we really love doing and it's something that we're good at. We just kind of got away from it because we don't necessarily always have the time for it. However, we realize that at this point, you make time for the things that you want. And so we truly enjoy it, and this is why we're circling back around to it. So forgive us that we have not putting up, you know, videos concerning hair or beauty or anything, but we are going to start. And so if there are any videos that you all would like to see, please make sure that you list them down below. I will make sure that I'll put all of my other hair videos that Kenya and I have done down in the description box below. You guys can pick these products up at Sally's and Nordstrom Rack. The Nairobi you can pick up from your beauty supply store. Again, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you all have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to me and Kenya's channel and turn on that bell so that you'll be notified the next time we upload a video. So guys, until our next one, bye.